Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic Phloem. Contents: abstract, introduction, classification, primary phloem, secondary phloem, component of phloem, economic uses. Abstract: phloem is the vascular tissue in charge of transport and distribution of the organic nutrients. The phloem is also a pathway to signaling molecules and has a structural function in the plant body. It is typically composed of three types: SIEVE elements, parenchyma, and SCLERENCHYMA cells. Introduction: Phloem is a conducting tissue of vascular plants. The term phloem is introduced by Nageli in 1853. It derived from a Greek word which means bark. Bark describes all the tissues outside the secondary xylem. It includes secondary phloem, primary phloem, cortex, and periderm. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly and press the bell icon button for getting the notification of our next video. Phloem. It is the living tissue in vascular plants that transport the soluble organic compound made during photosynthesis and known as photosynthesis, in particular the sugar, sucrose, to part of the plant where needed. This transport process is called translocation. You can observe in diagram photosynthesis product phloem help water and mineral with the help of xylem, and food is moved with the help of phloem. Classification of phloem. Phloem are classified into two types which are based on their development: primary phloem and secondary phloem. You can observe the primary growth and secondary growth. Primary phloem. The phloem formed as a result of primary growth is called primary phloem. It is responsible for growth in length of the plant. It developed from procambium during the primary growth. It have the two types, protophloem and metaphloem. Protophloem, it is composed of elongated sieve elements. It lacks the companion cells. It lacks the nucleus. It remains active only for a short time and then soon disappear. Metaphloem, it matures later than protophloem. It remains active for a long time. It is wider than the protophloem. It contains the companion cell in monocot. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues, and researchers. Secondary phloem. The phloem formed as a result of secondary growth is called secondary phloem. It developed from vascular cambium during secondary growth. Its arrangement is parallel to secondary xylem. Secondary growth is responsible for the growth in girth of the plant. It has the two types, vertical system and raised system. Vertical system, it composed of sieve elements, companion cells, phloem fibers, phloem parenchyma. It derived from fusiform initial of the cambium. Ray system. It is composed of ray parenchyma only. It is derived from the ray initial of the cambium. It is vary in height. Component of phloem. Phloem is a living conducting tissue, so it composed of sieve element, companion cells, parenchyma, sclerenchyma. In some plant, phloem also have internal secretory tissues. Sieve cells. Sieve cells are less specialized, primitive. They are elongated cell with steep inclined end wall. Sieve cells occur in the phloem of pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Sieve area are located on the lateral walls. Its arrangement is longitudinal and overlap each other in the tissue. Sieve tube. It is advanced type of sieve element. It is elongated series of cell. The function of sieve tube is the transport of carbohydrate, primarily sucrose, in the plants. These tubes contain pores which help in conduction. Each sieve tube's elements contain one or more nucleated companion cell to which they are connected by plasmodesmata. It is occur in angiosperms. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our videos, and if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section, and you can also share your point of view related to our topic in comment section. Companion cell. Sieve tube element contain the specialized cell. Parenchyma cell are called the companion cells. Companion cells are narrower than the sieve tube elements. It is thin-walled cell. It contains the large nucleus. It contains many plastids and ribosomes. It provides the energy to these sieve tube cells for phloem transport. It is absent in lower plant like the pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Sclerenchyma cells. Sclerenchyma cells may be living or dead at maturity. It have the lignified cell wall. It have simple or slightly bordered pit. They are used as commercially fiber. For example, hibiscus. Parenchyma cells. It is present in both primary and secondary phloems. It is the living cell and have thin walled. It has the primary pit field. Some parenchyma cells store the starch. There are the two types of parenchyma in the secondary phloem: axial parenchyma, ray parenchyma. Economic uses. Commercial jute fibers are obtained from phloem fibers. These are sclerenchymatous fibers, but because of their presence in phloem, they are called phloem fibers. They are used in making ropes. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.